to Manly's Adventures. This is Stockeld Park. Stockeld is one of my favourite places. It's great any time of year, but we like it most at Christmas. Come with us and see Santa's grotto, the Enchanted Forest, all the playgrounds, and the Christmas lights. My granddad has come on this trip, so there'll be plenty of bad jokes today.
Hi, this is Adelaide, my little granddaughter. I've got my wristband.
First stop, one of my favourite places here, the Farmyard playground.
Watch your head! Here he comes! Here he comes! Back's gone!
This playground is so cool. I could play here all day. Now it's time to go see Santa. Santa's workshop had lots of cute animals. Games. The Grinch!
The Grinch! It's the two Grinches together.
And even Rudolph.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Then we went in a lift all the way to Santa.
Flying over the clouds.
I even met Mrs. Claus.
Made it to the North Pole.
Have you been super duper good this year?
Yeah,
Yes. What are your grown-ups? Have they been super duper good?
my daddy and my granddad haven't.
I think that's it. What have they done?
He's been jumping up and down and knocking all the bubbles off the Christmas.
Jumping up and down and knocking the baubles on the Christmas tree?
I have never!
How anti-festive!
He's been trying to get me to tell the presents that I got him.
He's been what?
It wasn't me, it was a thing.
Yes, I have a little something for you. An early Christmas present. There you are. Now, you're most welcome. High five. Lovely. It's always good to see you.
Thanks, Santa. Now on to the Enchanted Forest.
We are going to the Enchanted Forest.
What music do Santa's elves like best? Oh, I know this. Rap music. Rap music, because wrapping the presents on. They had some very cool projections. Look away now, Daddy.
Nope.
Do you like it?
I'm a celebrity, get me out of this forest! The lake show was amazing. There is so many playgrounds at Stockeld. You'll find them all along your journey.
That's pretty fast.
Parents like them too. Bush! Parkour! As well as the playgrounds, there is lots of weird and awesome things to explore in the Enchanted Forest. Storybooks, mythical creatures, some that look like my granddad.
That is Grandad Jeezy, actually.
Talking trees, witches,
I'm gonna turn Adelaide into a fox.
mermaids, and lots more. Looks like we're having turkey for dinner. There is lots of places to make sweet music. We don't need to use music for this Adelaide adventure.
You definitely don't need music on Adelaide's adventures.
You can also grab some treats to keep you warm or cold. I chose both. Well, I like the feeling when I eat something cold. Then drink something hot. It's good. I've had a great time at Stockeld. I hope you have too. Enchanted Forest.
Yeah.
This is all of it.
Thank you for your visit. E-end. Say E-end.
E-N. Last stop, you guessed it, the gift shop.
We had a good time!
Yeah!
We've had a good time!
And guess what I got? E.
Nice.
Thanks for watching Adelaide's Adventures. We'll be back soon with more. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adelaide's Adventures. Yeah! Parkour!